Two Minutes. My name is Caroline and today we're going to talk about academic text styles. Many students find it very confusing what academic text style actually means and what kind of different styles there are. So let's take a look together at what this really is about. We use different styles for different subjects, different academic fields and different assignments. And there are 4 academic text styles: expository, descriptive, persuasive and narrative. Number 1. Expository writing. We usually use expository writing to explain something in a process. It's often equipped with facts and figures, and it is usually in a logical order and sequence. Number 2. Descriptive writing. It is often poetic in nature, describes places, people, events, situations, or locations in a very highly detailed manner. The author visualizes what he or she sees, hears, tastes, smells, or feels. Number 3. Persuasive writing. Usually it is equipped with reasons, arguments, and justifications. The author takes a stand and asks you to agree with his or her point of view. It often includes a call to action that asks the reader to do something about the situation. Number 4. Narrative writing. This includes a person telling a story or talking about an event. It has characters and dialogues. It has a definite and logical beginning and an ending, and it often talks about situations like actions, motivational events, and disputes or conflicts with their eventual solution. So now take a look at your own assignment. Which kind of academic text style do you use in your assignment? Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information. Good luck with your assignment!